Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, wanted to do a full update. We'll look at the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit, and we'll talk about all of the numbers around Pepe in general. But that's what we'll do, your daily updates, because I have been covering Pepe daily for the last, well, I don't know, at least week, but definitely since it has been bullish. So let's get right into it, all right? First of all, technically, Pepe is still bullish. I mean, if you look at the market structure right now, the really momentous and the really bullish Pepe is gone. I mean, that would be right here, I would say, where we basically rallied in the matter of a little bit over a week, where we went up from 2,000 up to 8,000, so a 4x. But I would still say, I mean, if you look at this, it definitely still looks bullish. The EMAs are still providing support right here. But apart from that, you can also see some sort of a structure where you have bullish momentum, consolidation, bullish momentum, consolidation, bullish momentum. Would be the most logical continuation from here. It is also possible, of course, that if you assume that this is a consolidation, right? And that this is also a consolidation up here, it is also possible that that's a reversal pattern and that we get a bearish breakout and that we consolidate lower again. So those are all the possibilities, and obviously, I mean, if you think about the market circumstances right now, you would say then it's most logical that we'll continue to go up, and I agree with that. All right, if you look at Pepe right now, even though Bitcoin has been quite strong and meme coins haven't been the strongest, even though we have seen some bullish momentum as well in the last couple of days, but even though that's the case, Pepe is holding on to its support levels. All right, it's finding a lot of support here. It's still up very, very high. If we look at the momentum, so if we look at the open interest, I would assume that that's also still at, well, relatively high levels. Yeah, that's also still relatively high. It's consolidating a bit, right? So it's not a problem. In general, Pepe is consolidating now. You can see that in the price. The EMAs are respected, but they're falling flat a bit, which means the average price is flat, which means we're basically consolidating around that average price. So we are consolidating. So if you just purely want to look at that, the best way to view Pepe right now, is that we're kind of stuck here between 95 or 9600 as a resistance. So we can break above that. And our main support level is 8,000, right? A little bit lower at like 7,900, but that's our main support level. So then if you think about it like this, what I would say the most likely scenario is that we will get that bullish breakout. The market right now is super strong. I think Pepe is one of the best meme coins out there, and also one of the most attractive meme coins to get in for retail. So some sort of a breakout like this and a continuation up to 11,000 and 11,500 is most likely. Like I said, that's also in line with the technical market structure, which usually if you get these consolidations and momentum in between, usually it continues that way if the market is bullish, which it is. So that's most likely in my eyes. Now, I do think you should be prepared. I think the open interest, by the way, also confirms that. Open interest is not bullish now, but it's still very high. And it's holding its ground. So in between, and what we saw earlier this morning as well, in between, if Bitcoin gets a bit of a pullback, Pepe can pull back hard as well. And the funding rates for Pepe are also getting quite high. So spikes like these, you should expect. But even with those spikes, at this moment, and I will keep you updated on that if that changes, but even at this moment, I would say our main support level at 8,000 holds. All right, so worst case scenario, at this moment, I would say we drop down, we consolidate a bit, and then eventually when we get some more momentum again, when the open interest starts ramping up, then we'll get that bullish breakout and we'll rally higher. So that could still take some time, but ultimately that is the most likely scenario. So yeah, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But that's those are my thoughts. So have a great Sunday, take care, and bye.